We are asked to find a relation between a and b without involving logarithm. If log a to base 4 is equal to log b to base 8 plus 1. So we are given to find the relationship between a and b, given that log a to base 4 is equal to log b to base 8 plus 1. Now, first, we have to substitute values. Let log a to base 4 be equal to x. So therefore, a is equal to 4 raised to the power of x. Let's go here, equation 1. Also, let log b to base 8 plus 1 be equal to x. And this becomes log b to base 8 plus log 8 to base 8 equal to s. This is because logarithm to its base is 1. Hence, log 8 to base 8 is equal to 1. So if we apply the laws of logarithm at the left-hand side, we have that this becomes log 8b to base 8 is equal to x. So therefore, 8b is equal to 8 raised to the power of x. Let's go here, equation 2. First, from 1 and 2, we can have that this becomes a equal to 4 raised to the power of x, which can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 2x. Also, we have that 8b is equal to 8x, which can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 3x. So here is the equation 1, and here is the equation 2. Now, for us to obtain the relation required, we now eliminate x by expressing a and b to equal powers of x. So therefore, we have that from equation 1, we have that a is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2x. So we have that a raised to the power of 3 will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 2x, all raised to the power of 3. So this can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 6x. Let's go here, equation 3. Also, from equation 2, we have that 8b is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3x. Now, this can be written as 8b squared equal to 2 raised to the power of 3s all squared, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power of 6x. Let's go here, equation 4. So recall that I said for us to obtain the relation between a and b, we have to eliminate x by expressing a and b to equal powers of x. Now, x has equal powers. Thus, equating 3 and 4, we have that a raised to the power of 3 is equal to 8b all squared. And this can be expressed as h squared times b squared. So therefore, a raised to the power of 3 is equal to 64 multiplied by b squared. So this is the relation between a and b. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.